Alright, we've got, these are glued together, and then what I did was I cut this piece off, because this is for the back of the head that's going to be, you'll be able to take on and off if you ever have to get inside to make repairs. So when I took it and I sanded it down to smooth it up some, so when I start carving on it, it'll make it a little bit easier. So we're going to start by putting our next outside piece on. And we want to mark where we want to put it, so when we glue it, it's going to stay where we want it. And we'll only glue one piece at a time so it doesn't slide on us. All of my figures I make are for sale, so if you see something you like, just look me up on Facebook and ask me about it. But the heads are all the way I put them together, glue them together like this, and they're all the same, so I won't do this with every video, but I've done it with earlier videos, and I thought maybe I'd go ahead and do it again with a couple of these so you can stay up on what I'm doing. We're going to clamp these together, let it set, and then we'll go and add the other side. And we'll just make a little snug so we can move it if we need to move it here or there. Just wipe off the excess glue. Good. Further steps, you'll see why I do what I do. Just want to make sure you get it aligned right. It can be a little off, and you can correct that when you start your carving. So we'll let this set up, and then once it sets up to where it's not going to slide on me, we'll put the other side on. So thanks for watching.